Flower Stand on Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Cal Flowers. Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Sun Valley Flower Farms.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating a little arrangement with just a couple flowers from Sun Valley. I'm kidding. We have a beautiful colossal urn in all white with tons of varieties from Sun Valley. Today's mechanic is binding bunches. We'll be using bunches together for our big arrangement. And so we're binding them together using craft wire. It's simple. We take a bunch, like this matricaria. We're going to lay about 6 inches that runs down the stem, and then we'll wrap it around our flowers. I like the craft covered wire because it doesn't cut through the stems and it's gentle. I want to wrap it securely so that it doesn't come loose. So I twist it on one side and then I bring it around one more time and twist it together again. Then I can remove the rubber band binding and cut it whatever length I need for the arrangement. Binding bunches like this allows us to add them together in a vase and keep them together so that they don't segregate. For today's project, we'll be using a large silver urn from Accent Decor, and we're filling it with all kinds of white flowers from Sun Valley Flower Farms. Sun Valley has so many different varieties that they grow, and making an all-white arrangement with bundles of flowers will allow us to have different texturescapes that happen inside the arrangement. So we'll use a bundling technique to keep the flowers together so that we can get good reinforcement from them. When we're working with a bunch, this beautiful Lisianthus, we take off our cellophane, we'll grab a bit of craft wire. I like craft wire because it doesn't cut through the stem and it makes a nice binding, and it's very secure because it has the wire inside and covered with the craft paper on the outside. The natural won't change the color of the water, so it's perfect for this project. We're going to get bunches ready like this so that we can arrange as if we had one big stem with each placement. But we'll be making a nice textural collection with those. Look at this incredible kalanchoe. Sun Valley's been growing kalanchoe for a while, but look at the length of this, and those double blossoms are incredible. I'm going to remove any leaves that might fall in that binding area or fall below the water line. And then I'll bind it. It's a little bit of prep, but it really pays off when we're creating the arrangement because things stay together. If we want to move something to a different part of the arrangement, we have the opportunity to do so without losing a couple stems. One of my favorite products that they're growing now is their Super Freesia. Look at these freesia. They're just incredible. And remember my trick, that when you get your freesia in, don't cut it. Just place it directly into floral nutrient water. That's what I did with these. And look at how beautiful they are. Every single one of those blossoms is going to open up. I put them directly into chrysal bulb food with no cut, and I only do it with freesia. but these are going to be a beautiful addition to this arrangement. Look at that stem length. That's incredible. We'll bind this off. We've got lilies, we've got tulips, and we'll even include some brassica, or ornamental kale, in this beautiful arrangement. Let's get started with today's project. By bundling the flowers, we're making individual placements with a whole bunch of flowers. So in essence, this arrangement is an arrangement of 20 different flowers. Each one just happens to be a bunch. As we place them in, we'll crisscross, but as we fill up the urn, we'll start to straighten them out. I've saved back some of the red huck and the flat fern so that I can create smaller bundles to help fill in and support the other bunches. We'll work from tallest at one side to shortest down in the front. The collection of different types of flowers and textures, and even variations in color in white, are incredible from Sun Valley. That's what makes this big urn really colossal. It certainly is impressive when you see all those different types of flowers together. And this is just a small part of what Sun Valley grows. Visit their website to see all the different varieties they have. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.